Okay, now for the moment of truth, the time for fun stories. If you don't know by now, I'm Joseph. That's Spencer over there. How did we get to know each other? I want to hear your perspective, Spencer, because I have my perspective of our first chance encounter.
Okay, so I moved to Oregon in 2017. Joe and I both worked at SIG Sauer Electro-Optics. And the very first day, I walked in the door and I was like, that dude is super jacked. We probably need to be friends. And I think, went to the gym maybe like a week after or something like that. And that was 7+ years ago now.
hmm
And through thick and thin, multiple different moves, we've been around the world together. We started this business, a couple of SHOT Show visits, things like that. That's been how we met, how we keep doing it and having a good time. I don't know, good
That's
communication and having fun.
yeah, yeah. It's so funny because I specifically remember I had started at SIG like a week before Spencer did. Like I still barely had a desk,
Oh, it was a
and
week.
yeah, yeah. We started like very very similar time, and this new kid showed up, and I had the same thought. I was like, the kid looks like he knows how to get down in the gym, and like Spencer is such a like outgoing guy. He just like marched up to me and was like, "You look like you know how to lift. We should lift."
That's
And
great.
yeah, it really has been. We've worked directly, indirectly. We've kind of like been in different jobs, but still connected. And we've worked very, very closely, basically as engineering and product development for, yeah, basically the majority of our career. Like,
Yeah.
and we've been best buddies, gym buddies. Yeah, it's just been
Hunting
an
buddies.
hunting buddies. I mean, it's really cool because, the products that we developed here are, the development of basically our career, our friendship of just doing stuff together. And yeah, Spencer was kind of the brainchild behind this. He brought me on board to kind of help out, and now we're just going at it. This is our baby, our brainchild, and I'm super stoked to be doing it with you, man.
I'm super stoked too.